Hi, my name is Hong.
And I'm
A Balluff
Co-op.
Hi, my name is Kristen Diaz, and I'm currently a technical displays co-op at Balluff, and right now I'm majoring in computer engineering at UC.
I'm a graduate of Cincinnati State's Electromechanical Engineering Technology program.
I'm a senior majoring in information systems at the University of Cincinnati.
I've acquired such a diverse range of skills by working here.
This past rotation, I got a lot of experience programming in C and C++, and I have a good understanding of embedded systems and how different components in an embedded system interact.
Most of my work there has been research on the topics of magnetostriction and anisotropic magnetoresistance and how those properties are implemented in a Balluff product.
The projects that we get to work on have real-life applications. For example, I worked on a weld cell project where I got to build a demo from scratch, hardwire it all, program it, and then watch it be shipped off to trade shows to show our customers what we actually do here.
The cool thing is that you get to actually get those parts, mount them to your board, wire them up, and get into the PLC programming to determine how they'll interact. And that's super cool to have that level of control over what the final product looks like.
And that's really good for my major because it figures out how to do control engineering from, tip to tail.
I was able to act as a buyer and get promotional gear for both internal use and for customer giveaways. And I got to create an entire recording studio and learn how to do podcasts.
I wasn't learning just on this one field about this one subject. I was involved in all kinds of automation for every industry you could think of.
It really kind of shows how important co-ops here at this company. And it's a great experience. Everyone values us. It's a great place to work. People are super friendly.
And this is what I love about Balluff. They always put people as a core value. If you have new ideas, they're willing to listen and help you to transfer those ideas become reality. Which is why I can say it's the best work experience I have had.
Overall, it's been an utterly fantastic experience. I mean, I think the fact that I've come back for a fourth semester speaks to that of how much I enjoy here.
And it's been a really great co-op. It's my best co-op experience yet. And it's really going to help me in my major. And I'd like to say thank you, Balluff, for that.
So I just want to thank everybody at Balluff for giving me a great co-op experience.
Honestly, if you're looking for a place to enjoy where you work, this is the company for you.
So that's not everything you're going to gain by working here, but Balluff is an amazing experience, and that's why you should be a Balluff Co-op.
And I just want to let you guys know that you should work at Balluff too.